Hello students, I am Kalpana Stogi. Today we will discuss about the different periodic properties and their trend across a period and down a group in periodic table along with their reasons. These periodic properties are atomic size, ionization potential, electron affinity, electronegativity and metallic character. Now first of all, I want to tell you in the given chart we will see what will happen with these periodic properties when we go from left to right in a period. Or in this table, first three periods have been shown along with their elements. Now first of all for the atomic size periodic property. Now what will happen when we go from left to right in a period? You will see atomic size decreases along a period. It means, for example, in period number 3, sodium has the largest size but chlorine has the smallest size. And what is the reason behind it? Actually, from left to right, effective nuclear charge increases but the number of shell remain same. Now the second number periodic property, ionization potential. What is the ionization potential? It is the amount of energy required to remove the outermost electron. Now what will happen from left to right? When we go from left to right, ionization potential increases. It means sodium has the lowest ionization potential but chlorine has the highest ionization potential. But in this ionization potential, you have to take group number 18 also, and group number 18 element has the highest ionization potential. Now the third number periodic property is electron affinity. What will happen when we go from left to right with the electron affinity? Electron affinity increases along a period. What is the reason behind it? Because effective nuclear charge increases but atomic radii will remain, atomic radii decreases. That's why electron affinity increases along a period. But the electron affinity for 18 number group is 0 because the outermost orbit of 18 number group elements are completed. Now the next periodic property is electronegativity. Now what will happen? Left to right, electron negativity increases along a period. It means, for example, in period number 3, sodium has the lowest electronegativity but chlorine has the highest electronegativity. Now the last metallic character. What will happen with the metallic character when we go from left to right in a period? Then you will see, for example, in period number 3, sodium has the highest metallic character, but when we go from left to right in a period, metallic character decreases. It means chlorine will have the least metallic character. Now what is the reason behind it? Reason is same, because effective nuclear charge increases along a period but atomic radii decreases along a period. And these reasons have been given in these charts. You can learn the reasons from these two charts. Trend down a group. What will happen when we go from top to bottom in any group? What happens with these periodic properties? For example, 3 groups have been shown in this chart and you will see the influence of periodic properties. Now first of all, atomic size. What happens top to bottom? Atomic size always increases top to bottom. For example, in group number 1, hydrogen has the smallest atomic size but rubidium has the largest size. Now what is the reason behind it? Because hydrogen has the only single shell but rubidium has the many shells, because top to bottom shell number increases and nuclear charges also increases. That's why atomic size always increases top to bottom. Now what happens with the ionization potential when we go from top to bottom in a group? Ionization potential always decreases top to bottom. Now what is the reason behind it? Because size of the element always increases top to bottom and effective nuclear charge also increases. Now what happens with the now what happens with the electron affinity? Electron affinity always decreases top to bottom because effective nuclear charge also increases but the ionization potential decreases. Now what happens with the electronegativity? Electronegativity always decreases top to bottom. For example, in group number 1, hydrogen has the highest electronegativity but rubidium has the lowest electronegativity. What is the reason? Reasons are same, because effective nuclear charge increases top to bottom, but the size or atomic radii increases top to bottom. Now what happens when with the metallic character top to bottom? Metallic character always increases, because metallic character always depends upon the size of element, and top to bottom size of the element always increases. That's why metallic character also increases. And two more things you should know: valence electron and number of shell. Top to bottom always valence electron remains same, but the number of shell increases one by one at each step. Now reasons for these two charts you can learn from here.